Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will learn how to create a butterfly pattern using Python. This pattern consists of two symmetrical halves, the top half and the bottom half. And butterfly pattern in Python step-by-step code explanation in this full video. Okay? So let's move for code. Okay, let's n equal to yeah n equal to 3 size of the pattern this is, and then and command top part of the butterfly. Okay, yeah in for loop for I in range 1 comma n plus 1 and semicolon. uh, this is the top part of the butterfly, and then its left side stars for it's for an outer loop, and it's for first inner loop. Okay, for j in range, for j in range 1 comma I plus 1, and then print double quotation star comma end equal to empty string, and then spaces of the middle. Okay, so spaces in the middle, and then for k in range 1 comma 2 into n minus I, and then plus 1. Okay, and then print open quotation comma end. Okay, and then right side of stars, in right side of stars, for in range, the outer loop for I in range is represent for 1 into n plus 1, controls the number of rows. It indicates the controls the number of rows. Okay, and after that the first inner loop for j in range is 1 comma I plus 1. It prints left side of stars, and then the second inner loop for k in range, it indicates the 1 comma 2 into n minus 1 plus 1. Why it's 1 comma 2? Because the loop runs print star in space in middle space. Yeah, so we will put for 2 into n minus y into plus 1. Okay, after that the third loop for l in range I 1 comma I plus 1, for it's a third loop, so third loop l comma I plus 1 prints right start stars, bottom part of the butterfly. Okay, now we will complete the code again. Okay, end, and then space the middle and right side stars. The third inner loop, it's a third inner loop for L in range, for L in range 1 comma, for L in range 1 comma I plus 1. Okay, so it's semicolon, and then print star comma end. It's considered empty string. So and then the print value, put the print value, it's considered move to the next line. The print value line number 17 is considered move to the next value. So now we are completing the top part of the butterfly. So now we will move for the bottom part of the butterfly. In bottom part, for I in range n comma 0 comma minus 1. It's a similar change of the bottom part to top part to bottom part in the n comma 0 comma minus 1, because it's a river part, you know. So this is the image of reference, so it's a reverse part, you know. So it's called for reverse order. So in the left side for j in range, 1 comma I plus 1, 1 comma I plus 1, and then semicolon, அப்புறம் print and then open quotation and star comma print open quotation star comma end value. In the end value it contains one empty string, another than spaces in the middle stars. It's put it of the out, it's considered second inner loop, you know. So spaces in the middle, it's considered in the second inner loop, you know. So for k in range, k in range, its range is denoted for 1 comma 2 into n minus I. What's represent is n minus I? N minus is reference for spaces in the middle of the pattern, the butterfly pattern. Okay, so let's move for another one, spaces in the middle, and then print open quotation and star comma end value is empty string, the end value is empty string. After that, for it's completed in k loop, and move for right side star in inverted butterfly pattern. Okay, so we will move for it's a third inner loop, you know. So it's called for L is that's a variable, and range is a method. So for L in range, it appears for top part of the butterfly pattern in range 1 comma 1 pattern in butterfly pattern. So 1 comma I plus 1, 1 comma I plus 1, and then semicolon, followed semicolon, print and open parenthesis, and also open quotation and star comma end part means just open quotation. So we will complete for top part, and also we complete in another part in bottom part. So we will move and print the star value in print, it's an open quotation. So we will almost complete this full scenario. So in this full scenario, so I run the code, it will runs. So now the run this code, its code works perfectly, and then change the n value, it's 8. So now the run this code, it prints for butterfly pattern as usual in 8 numbers values, and top part is printed successfully, and also bottom part also is printed successfully. So in this video is completed for butterfly pattern. So thank you. Full in this video explanations in full in English. So it is my first time. So in the outer loop for in I range n 1 comma n plus 1, and controls the number of rows. The first inner loop for j in range 1 comma I plus 1 prints left side of stars. The second loop for in k is a second inner loop. So in the k in second inner loop in range, print 1 comma n plus 1. So outer loop for I in range n comma 0 comma 1 runs in reverse order. Okay, so the inner loops function the same way as in the top part, but now rows decrease in size. Example, for n equal to 3, mark down the full copy of the code. Okay, let's move for the another examples. The program is very simple for uses only of loops. The logic is easy to understand and can be customized. You can use this pattern in C, C++, and Java, and also JavaScript as well. So thank you. Help others with a smile.